If your Roku remote is not pairing, you're not alone. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact reasons why a Roku remote stops pairing and the proven solutions that actually work. Let's fix this step by step. Step 1. Check the remote type. Before fixing anything, it's important to know what type of Roku remote you have. Roku Simple remotes use infrared and do not pair wirelessly, meaning they must be pointed directly at the Roku device to work. Roku voice remotes and enhanced remotes use wireless signals and must be paired to the Roku. If your remote has a pairing button or supports voice control, it needs pairing. Step 2. Battery check. Low or dead batteries are the most common reason a Roku remote won't pair. Even if the remote light turns on, weak batteries may not provide enough power to complete the pairing process. Replace the batteries with fresh ones or fully charge the remote if it's rechargeable. After replacing the batteries, wait a few seconds before trying to pair again. Step 3. Pair the remote. To pair a Roku voice or enhanced remote, bring the remote close to your Roku device. Open the battery compartment and press and hold the pairing button for about 5 seconds. You should see the status light start flashing, which means the remote is in pairing mode. Within about 30 seconds, a pairing message should appear on the TV screen confirming the connection. Step 4. No pair button. Some Roku remotes don't have a visible pairing button. In that case, press and hold the home button and the back button together for about 5 seconds. This puts the remote into pairing mode and allows it to reconnect to the Roku automatically if the device is powered on and nearby. Step 5. Restart Roku. If pairing doesn't work, restarting the Roku can fix temporary software glitches. Unplug the Roku from the power source, wait at least 10 seconds, and then plug it back in. Allow the Roku to fully restart and load the home screen before trying to pair the remote again. This reset often clears connection issues instantly. Step 6. Interference issues. Wireless interference can prevent the Roku remote from pairing properly. Devices like Wi-Fi routers, Bluetooth speakers, soundbars, and even USB cables placed too close to the Roku can cause problems. If you're using a Roku streaming stick, using the included HDMI extender can greatly improve the remote's wireless signal and pairing reliability. Step 7. Use phone app. If the remote still won't pair, the Roku mobile app can be used as a temporary remote. Install the Roku app on your phone and connect it to the same Wi-Fi network as your Roku device. The app lets you navigate menus, access settings, and even repair a new remote directly from the Roku system menu.